Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Robin Hood costume. Gather a green tunic, brown boots, a leather belt, and basic sewing tools. I will walk you through choosing fabrics, cutting patterns, and simple hand or machine stitching. You will learn easy ways to age leather and make a convincing hat and quiver on a modest budget. Follow along step by step and pause when you need to replicate each stage. Start by collecting all materials so you can work without interruption. Lay out fabric, thread, needles, belt buckles, and any trim on a clear surface. Measure twice and cut once, noting seam allowances and pattern orientation. Having everything ready helps you focus on shaping the tunic, crafting the hat, and assembling the quiver. Small upgrades like brass buckles and simple distressing can make a big visual impact. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the outlaw water bottle keeps you hydrated during long crafting sessions and fits in most workshop cup holders, making breaks easier. I love its leak-proof lid and easy carry handle when moving between rooms. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a reliable bottle. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by sewing the tunic panels together with reinforced seams where straps and belts will sit. Create a hood by cutting on the bias so it falls naturally and attaches cleanly to the neckline. Make a simple quiver from rolled faux leather and secure with rivets or strong glue. Add subtle weathering to leather and fabric to achieve a lived-in, authentic Robin Hood appearance without expensive materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.